Hi creative people, I hope you all are good. I'm here with another video. On this video, I'm going to talk about the shaper, pencil tool, smoother tool, eraser, knife and the scissor. These are the tools that I'm going to talk about how to use and what are the situations that we can use and how it can help us to create a beautiful piece of art in Adobe Illustrator. So without a further ado, let's jump into the Adobe Illustrator. Okay, here we are on Illustrator. So let me show the name: shaper tools, pencil tool, smooth tool, and path eraser and the join tool. Likewise, I mentioned other different tools, that is eraser tool, scissor tool, and the knife tools. Okay, so these are the tools that we are going to explore in this video. So first is the shaper tool. It's just like a simple shaper, but you need to be continuous while you are creating any shape. Okay, if you just leave, then it will obviously join, but simply if you create a line, then it won't create any different shape, but you need to be a continuous to create any kind of shape, right? So this is how you can simply create. So obviously it depends upon your use case how you want to use. Okay, so next tool is pencil tools. Some other setting, if you double click, then if you click on accurate, then it will follow your hand path. Okay, how it will. And if you click on smooth, then it will try to create some smooth shape. Okay, so out of your drawing. So likewise, there are lots of other shape like filled with new pencil stroke, keep selected. So whenever if I am creating, like, it is selecting the path. Okay, so because it is selected. Okay, like we explore on a brush tools. Okay, so if I deselect, then it won't select that particular path. So yeah, these are the few settings that you can play around edit with path. Okay, so what are the edits that you want? For example, if you want to edit or if you want to continue, so first I need to select, and then if I need to continue, then I have to I can do these. Okay, what I have to do is I have to keep selected it so that I can continue. What I can do is, like, I can completely follow the path and I can connect with those dots also. See, and there is one smoother tools. Okay, so I can create much more smoother. If it is not that much smooth whenever you are creating, then obviously you can use that smooth tool and you can make it smooth. Okay, it will try to fix these dots. Okay, path eraser, any path that you want to erase, then just drag. Okay, and wherever you want to erase, then obviously it will erase. Okay, so it's like a eraser tool. And there is one join tool. So first you need to select the path and then try to drag where you want to join. Obviously there should be another path also. I'm so sorry. So let's create another path. Okay, so I create and I will select two different paths and use this. So now it will join the path. Okay, so again I'm selecting two path and then I'm dragging. See, it is connected. Likewise, if we overlapped also, it will again join. So first I create another and I will try to do, and I will select both the path and I will use this join. See, it is removing unnecessary path and it will create a kind of shape. See, this looks good. Okay, it can be any kind of leaf or any like artistic brush or any can be, anything can be happen. So if we like add something, let's say I will use this blob brush and I will try to add some uh, something to create like a nail. Okay, it's just like a nail. So yeah, now I will filled with some different okay, so it's not looking that much good. I will try to make it a little bit like finished. Okay, and I filled all the this, and what I do is I will bring it in front. Okay, so this is it, simply. Okay, even this small slightly change on any, like adding any extra element, give you a dimension on any like line. So it was a simple line. If I added one another element, and then we can imagine anything, like it's a plant or a hand with nail polish or anything, nail, anything we can imagine anything. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, this is the shaper tools, obviously pen tool, and smoother tools, and the path eraser tools, and join tools. Now let's start with the knife. So if I drag, and it will create, it will cut from the wherever you are moving, and then it will create a different shape. Okay, see, we can get the three different shape. Like it looks like a simple Pepsi logo kind of thing. Like it's not that exactly as a Pepsi, but yeah, it gives a kind of vibe, and in between we can put any name. So likewise we can edit again. If you want to cut it again a half, then we can simply select, and again we can like cut it. See, in any way we can cut it, and it gives a multiple shape. See, we can create any kind of pattern with this. So this is how we can use the knife tool. And for the scissor tool, scissor will just cut, like in real life scissor will cut. So likewise here also it will cut the point. So for example, if I click here, and if I click on here, then see it, like I cut one particular path, and I disconnected these two different lines. So likewise, first we need, obviously we need to select whatever you are going to cut, then we need to select, and it's already cut out. That's why like we can disconnect with those lines. And for example, if there is a continuous line, then again here, see, I can cut it, right? This is how we can cut it. And now for the eraser tools, if you have any kind of shape or anything, first you need to select, and then you can erase wherever, whatever you want to erase. Okay, you can increase the size. Okay, so how you can increase, there are some setting. Okay, if you double click in here, you can increase and decrease the size, and the roundness also you can switch with the roundness and angle, what kind of angle that you want. Okay, appreciating it. And then let's increase the size, at least we can see the differences. Okay, so let's keep it that, and I'm selecting this. See, I can erase the particular field. Okay, this is how I can use, sorry, first we have to select the object, otherwise it won't work. Okay, we need to select, and I can erase some area, and it will create organic shape. See, so in between, obviously you can play with again a different color. Let's say if I put a different color, this first, let me bring this up, and I will put it in the back. So this is the first, and let me bring it up. Okay, so simply I'm choosing this direct selection path to like select one anchor point, and I will try to like field. Okay, so simply, yeah, okay, yeah, it has lots of anchor points, that's why it's like getting time to say. We can imagine whatever we want, and we can add depth of field or anything, and we can play with other some other color variation also. So these are the tools that we discuss on today. Okay, see you on our next video. Be humble, be creative and logical, and be kind to everyone. Love and respect to others. Bye bye, see you on another video.